isa ang kasiguraduhan. Ano yan? Kasigurado. Thank you for watching. Kasiguraduhan. Kuha man tabi ito ng cellphone ko kuya. Kuha ang cellphone ko tabi. Thank you so much. Going live always. Hi Cliffers. Thank you Cliffers. Thank you Cliffers. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes. Different name, Clippers. Yes, mom, you're welcome always. Thank you. Where are you from? Clippers. Clippers. I just subscribed to your channel. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Clef. Thank you. Hi, Gokhan Koyok. Different name. So, I'm in Des Moines, Iowa, in the United States. So nice to meet you. From Turkey, Goyug. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for the compliment. Samuel. Thank you. So, thank you for watching. 14 people. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. That's why. Hello, 13 people in the house. Thank you, 33 people. Thank you so much. God bless. More precious. Thank you. Morning to you. Afternoon here now. Afternoon here. Thank you so much. Nice lighting. Ah, thank you. Pumpy the walls. Pumpy the walls. I'm 41 years old. That's why. 41. I'm Thank you. 45 million here. Hi, Nate. Hi, Mike. Mike. Where's the plaster on the wall? Not, not yet. Plaster on the wall. Good morning, beautiful woman. Hi, good morning. Not yet come, na? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. My coming tomorrow. So beautiful. Thank you, Louise. Thank you, Louise. I still nervous yet. Yes, nervous. So nervous. First meet. That's why. Long distance relationship. It's a very long time. I have long time for a relationship. That's why. Real relationship. That's I mean. That's why I feel so nervous. Worley Santana. Hi, Worley. Hi, Samir. Samir, thank you for joining. Antonio Chagas. What's for dinner? Not yet dinner. Afternoon here. Not yet dinner. That's good, although first is a big deal. Borgias, hi. Hi, Pumpy the Wall. Do you have children? I have one kid. One child. Me and my jowa not good. Why not good? Hello, sweetheart. Hi, Valley Leatherford. Hello. Edward Honey. Hello, Edward. Northberto Palmera. It's her birthday. She feels like I'm not doing enough for her at the moment naman. Just lunch. What for lunch? Lunch here, fish. Fried fish with egg. Maybe I will surprise you for your dates together sana all. Donald. Thank you. I have a plan. You have a plan. Okay, that's good. Having a plan is great. Because I visit another girl last night stream. Oh, okay. Just before her birthday. Which country are you in? I'm living here in the Philippines. I'm Filipina. Nature Za Zabentus. I'm Filipina, living here in the Philippines. Mustafa, hello. Hey guys, hit the like and sub if you enjoy. Thank you so much, Nate. How's the weather here? Warm weather here. Sunny. Warm weather. Thank you so much. Hi, Martin Hoffman. Jeremy Dowsett. Hello. Jeremy Dowsett. Hello. Mga panahon tayo tatanda. Wait lang. I would be the best to take mother and child together. I know that's possible in your country. Okay. Alright, thank you, Ray. He's dance not. Petra, good morning, Petra. Good morning to you. Hello from California. Thank you. From California, hi. Thank you so much for joining. It's not a good to take her from her childhood. Yeah. How are you? I'm from Petrol. Hula Cheryl. Hi, Sige. Fredo Martinez Pajaro. Hi. You are magnificent. Magnificent. Hi, Ziz Riram. I saw your picture together. You and Mike Sana. Oh, thank you, Nate. Thank you. Please make eye contact while I. Oh my god. My god. Why people like this? Mustafa Elmas. Hi, Geraldo. Hi, Gerald. Good morning, greetings from Maracaibo, Venezuela. Hello, thank you for joining. My god. My good eye. What country are you from, beautiful? I'm from Philippines, Alex. Thank you so much for joining. Pumpy, just a warning. Please don't say disrespectful or forward question as she has a jowa meetings. Thank you, Nate. Hi, I can Sinita. Hello, I'm fine. Hi, can. I'm from Philippines. Thank you. I am from Istanbul, Turkey. Nice to meet you. Hello, are you? Where do you live? I'm living here in the Philippines. I love Philippines. Ah, thank you so much. Are you married? Not yet married, but I have a boyfriend. Also hits up. Honor, profanity, or disrespectful is tolerated, including discrimination. Thank you and enjoy. Thank you, Nate. Thank you so much, Nate. Greetings from Peru. Hi, from Peru. Beautiful. I'm from Peru. Alex Coronado from Peru. Thank you so much. Like a crazy person. Really? Nate's life. Thank you so much. You also have a boyfriend? No, not yet. I mean, I have a boyfriend. He's coming tomorrow, I said. We will meet tomorrow. feel nervous. That's so thin. I'm too so tiny. Yes, Guillermo, I'm thin, so tiny. Teeny tiny girl. She's a tiny woman. Of course, Cheryl, but other than that, enjoy and Cheryl can be loads of fun, but we're watching us good time. Thank you, Ned. Thank you so much. I would take it home without us. Huh? Come to Istanbul. No thanks, but even I felt nervous. Lul, ah, really, thank you. I are not using it, huh? You are a very beautiful woman. Please don't go to this. Oh my God, ano ba yung pinagsasabi? My God, rapid comment is not allowed here. Sorry. I like to follow live stream that start from the bottom and then go up. Please talk in English or Tagalog or Visayas, fine, but keep it minimum or too much words. We can't understand you. Thank you again, salamat. Thank you, Needs, Try Life. Like a lot of trolls here. A lot of disrespect. God. My God. Why people like that? Can't imagine. Can't imagine life without your love. You're nice, you're single. Also hit the like and bell to get notified of every time you wish to see this lady go live or even a video from our awesome host. Oh, thank you, Nate. Also, little color like a rainbow lights up her day also. Oh, thank you so much. Please, the rainbow. If you wish to become a member, it's not a pricey unless you want the $200 more. Thank you, Nate, for life. My God. Hi, Robert Khan. You play guitar. I try play guitar, but not yet. Learning. Thank you, Nate. My God, $200 a month. If $200 a month, maybe five five people. Oh my God, thank you so much, my kulay. I see a guitar over there. Yes, because I'm learning. Very nice looking lady. Thank you, Graham T. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Where are you from? Sana all. Sana all. Hello, beautiful. I kiss for you. I will smile. Hi, Jerry Lardy. I think could. Huh? What can we get for $1,000? Oh, I wish $1,000. Please, hope someone. My God, it's $1,000. What a genuine. Can we even get a nice happy clip from you? Yes. If someone send $1,000, oh my God, my God, what a moment. But when we expect, lol. Yeah. I've already subscribed. I'm going to start following. Thank you, Sigifredo Martinez Pajaro. Thank you so much. How will Mike feel? I think he will, he will happy for me. And mixed emotions and maybe something. This host. Hi, Vano. Welcome back, Vano. Wine. Wine. Because someone said like that much money here on the super chat, something like that, or the membership. My God. So, it's a blessing. Okay, love you. Thank you so much. Mixed emotion and being your man as the mature man, he needs to be absolutely, yes. He will understand me. He is supporting me what I'm doing because what I'm doing it makes me happy. It makes me. He support me what I'm doing. He's not thick flying kiss on him. Veno, you smell your beautiful hair. Ah, something. Mm, so fresh fragrance. Yes, I hear you, Cheryl. The pot dry. What? What? What do you do for fun? What do you do? What do you mean? Farmer Jackson, your question is just so plain. Thank you for watching. You know what fun is right? I know fun is right. Don't make me stupid. I need true life from Venom. Hello, Eric Hermanson. Bumpy the Wolf. Happy family, yes. Happy family. Hello, Eric Thompson. Hi, Eric. Where are you from? Pumpa? Pumps? You never started. Girl, as sweet as honey make me. Ah, the Netherlands. From Netherlands. Nice to meet you, Eric Hansen from the Netherlands. Do you not have any hobbies or is this it? Pumpy is still here. I'm watching. Yes, Pumpy. Hey, Pumpy. Where from, Pumpy? I'm watching. Alright, watch your words. What hobbies do you have, Cheryl? She washes clothing. What hobbies? Sleeping, walking. That's a lot as it. That's a lot as it. That's a lot as it is, guys. Ah, sorry. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Stephens, thank you. Pa, needs to life. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I fell asleep. I'm back. Look. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. Hi, Dwayne from Nate's. Nate's Life. Cheryl reset. Why? Cheryl rest. Yeah. Nate, how are you? Good to see you. From Sir Dwayne. I will keep guard. Thank you, Nate. I will keep guard. Nicole Chita Doral. Nicole Chita Doral. Like 48. Gimana Ray. Hi, Gimana Ray. Doing going good. Thanks, Meet. How about you? Day of helps me. Day of today, yes, day of today. So much noisy today, Cheryl. Yeah. Kids basketball outside. Where I'm from, Philippines. Nate, good, my friend. Yesterday was a long day managing two different channels. Ah, well. So it's doing. Nice to see you, Gimana Ray. True, I understand. And I thought I would be right through. I just can't compare. Oh my god. Can I ask what? Yes. What is your question? Dwayne, I manage like three sometimes and they get jealous of how much I send them as in dollar bill. Hello, just send. Nate, just send. No need to get so jealous. Hi, Bryce. Hello, Tepeche. Just send, don't jealous exactly, yes. Just send. Just send. I'm Nate. I'm a managing mod of 4 different tracking channel. This young lady is my favorite. Ah, thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I have money. What do you do for money? Anything to do. Anything do for money. foods like uh, lots of foods, something like that. Welcome, beautiful. Welcome, all hit that likes and sub if you enjoy the some house channel. Thank you so much. Little color always makes the bright rainbow. Thank you. It's young lady. She's older than me. How old are you, Nate? My wife has a lot of Filipino friends. She works with at a hotel. Wow. Where are you from, Farmer Jackson? But still looks guapa na. Thank you, Nate. Hello from, what is PNG? What is that? Oh, Farmer, nice job from Nate. I'm like 25, 29. 29 years old. From Canada. Farmer Jackson from Canada. Papua New Guinea. Okay. Papua New Guinea. Do you make adults videos? No. No. Marcus. I never. If you can do that, I'm not do that. I'm not like that. Maybe you can go to another, not me, not here. So it's, thank you for thank you, Nate. His new genuine. Yeah. Nate, I'm 68 years old. My friend. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Papua. Peter, I'd like to visit you if possible. You know what I mean. Not possible because I'm already taken and soon I'm getting married, so I don't know what it maybe not possible. Not possible. Cheryl, I won't ask your age because it's a rude na. Okay, sure, young to you. I'm 41 years old. It's not. No, I'm giving you a time of me. 41 years old from Philippines. I told you I'm watching. Thank you, Nate. Okay, Cheryl. Daniel older. Daniel or older na, yes. I'm older than you. 29 years old. So young. Cheryl is going to marry my best friend who is on his way overnight now. Yes. I'm excited but felt nervous. Sir Dwayne. Only little time out because I didn't find it. Who just explained herself. Thank you, Nate. Yes. Just came back with hi Shar, congrats meeting your Afamna. Thank you, Nate. Congratulations from Farmers Jackson. Thank you, Farmer Jackson. Thank you so much.
Good night, Galid, Sonny, Eduardo, Santa da. Galido-san, do you play the guitar? Before playing guitar, I'm learning playing guitar. Welcome all, don't forget to enjoy, but also like this lady in her channel, it helps a lot. Thank you, Nate. Thank you so much, Nate. Thank you pa. Sorry. You're thinking about him, yes. I'm thinking, hello, how is your day going? Hi, Sir Andrew Campbell. Thank you for joining, Sir Andrew Campbell. Going, I don't know where I'm going. A long time waited it out now. Long time waited it out now. Yes, po. When he will arrive now, he arriving now. He's on the ano, he's on the flight now. New York going to Manila, Philippines. Oh my God. Is it hot there? We still have snow on the ground, but it's almost a spring. Farmer Jackson. Hot here. The weather is sunny here, sunny. Maybe sleep, okay. Sleep well, Nate. Thank you so much for joining. So tonight or tomorrow? Tonight, he's he's now tonight at 11, almost lunch. 11, almost noon. Noon here is now. We meet at noon, maybe 11:30, something like that. So tonight, tomorrow, we meet tomorrow. He's now in tomorrow. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you so much from Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. No worries. So he'll be there tomorrow then. Yes. Yes, Bob. Salamat at I will catch you and behave for her now. Thank you, Needs. Yes, Sir Andrew. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow noon, at tomorrow noon, Needs. Yes, can't believe. Take care, Shara. You get this. Maybe I will come through with something. With something? What do you mean, Needs? Harriet TP. Hi, Harriet TP. Cheryl, you're nervous. That's okay. Everything's going to be fine. I promise. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I'm nervous. I'm getting nervous talaga. May gulay. Marvin. Hi, Marvin. Ace. Hi, Ace. Gustavo. May gulay. Gustavo. Hello, Gustavo. Hi, Ace. My Gab. Okay. What's that? Bendo. Hi, Bendo.
Katabi niyo man, ma.
Sige na. Hindi ka.
Ayun na.
Wala, dagan basa mo.
Hindi mo na kayong katawan. Arrival na yun, mama na arrival.
Biyahe. How does the little one feel about his arrival? Feeling nervous. The little one feel about, yeah, feel excited, nervous, my God. Mixed emotions. Bamboo. Hi, bamboo.
Bamboo. Ay,
Bamboo. Napabangto kita do.
yes! Pakalaw chinila. Tapos chubby.
How does the little one? Thank you for. Nagkarigas ka mo?
Ha? Hindi
Nagkarigas
pa.
Thank you so much. I need to go to because go to the market with my Gab, my son.